The problem with the legal parental rights today is that they're not up to date. The Romans 2,500 years ago made the pater rule saying that the man who's married to the woman is the father of the child. But today we have so many types of families, so many relations, fertility treatment, lesbian, singles, divorce, combined families and so on. And in fertility treatment and in particular in third-party donation program, we definitely need more clear rules to protect the donors, protect the children, to protect the parents' rights. Here in the United States, there is a federal recommendation, but it's not a law, so it's handled different from state to state. But if you look at it from the helicopter worldwide, it's one big mess. So therefore we probably need to start from above, that is United Nations Children Convention, and then see if we can come to an agreement, consensus, and then slowly over the next couple of hundred years see if we can bring the legislation into the national legislation, because it's a human right for every child to have a legal parent.